Hi guys, Myles Alfama back for another video, and today we got another fan mail from somebody. He's done 2 videos already on the channel, so can you guys guess who? We'll have to find out. So yeah, we got more fan mail today. This is a December fan mail opening. I haven't got fan mail in a while, so if you guys want to send me fan mail, my PO box will be down in the description below. So yeah, let's open this box, shall we? I forgot the scissors, so I need to go get the scissors real quick. Be right back. And we're back. So, alright, so can you guys guess who that was? Wonder who it is. Somebody sus? Somebody the imposter? Alright, so let's burst on open into this package, shall we? Alright, so let's see. Alright, let's see if I can do this without hurting myself. Alright. Alright, let's see. Let's see what we got. Did I get into it yet? Yes. Yeah, I did. Okay. Alright, there we go. Alright. Yeah, okay, we're good. Okay. Alright, I think we bursted it open. Alright, let's see what we got in this box, shall we? Let's see. Let's see. Whoops, I got to do these sides real quick. Hold on. Alright, let's see. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Happy December, y'all, by the way. For who those are watching in December. Ooh, this is tough. Ooh, get this box open. Let's see. Let's see. Alright. Alright, here we go. Alright, we got into the box. Alright, so let's see what we got. We got a lot of magazine paper. Note on the back, on the bottom. There's a note on the bottom. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Let me see. So let's see what we got on the letter. Let's see. Really? Really? Mr. Myles Alfama, just kidding. Hi, just kidding. Myles, you're the best, and I hope you, your family are doing well. I just wanted to send you a little something for the holiday. I hope you like it, and thank you for always helping me with my channel and being a good friend. Stay awesome. No, you stay awesome. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from your family, your friend. If you guys guess Mr. King Awesome again, you guys are correct. So yeah. And P.S. I changed my mind. You are sus. No, you, boy. Oh, wait, you said no, you. Darn it! Darn it! No, you, he. Oh, man, I'm gonna get you back, King. I'm gonna get you back one day. But you're sus. You're the most sus. Alright, so let's see what King has made me. He's got me a bunch of magazine paper, I guess. Alright, so let's see what we got. What is this, I wonder? What is this? What is this in the bubble wrap? Let's see. Ooh, yummy. A treat jar. Cute. How cute. Ooh, nice. Very nice. And it has my profile picture on top. Hey, look at that. It has my profile picture on top. Pretty cool. You got King as a little riding a little sleigh right there. Kind of cute. Cute. We got a little trail mix. It looks like with a cinnamon stick on top. Ooh, that smells good. If you guys were in my house, you guys could smell that cinnamon stick. Ooh, that smells good. So let's see. We got some peppermint bark. It looks like got some pretzels. some M&Ms, and some peanuts. And then some Weefin, or whatever those crackers are, or what are they called? I forget. But thanks for the trail mix, King. I really appreciate it. With the logo on top. Pretty cool. So it looks like we got some trail mix from King. So that's pretty cool. And it's kind of an interesting gift. Some trail mix. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this another P.O. Box opening video. If you guys want to send me P.O. Box opening like Mr. King Awesome, my P.O. Box will be down in the description down below. And if you guys want to send me anything, please don't send me like a big box. Send me like a little one, like something like this, so I can easily get it, so it can fit in my mailbox. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go enjoy the snack now. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! And King stats, by the way.